In this Ellerton Associates Technology Training Tip of the Month, we'll show you how to use the new Flash Fill feature in Excel 2013. Okay, I have a list open in Excel, and what I would like to do is maybe break some things apart, such as this name column. Be better if I had that separated into first name and last name for filtering and sorting purposes. So in previous versions of Excel, I would have had to use the text into columns wizard to do that, maybe some of the text formulas. And in Excel 2013, all I have to do is use Flash Fill. So what I'm going to do is right-click column C and insert a new column. In fact, I'm going to do it again. And I'll put the names of my columns. This will be the first name, and column D will be the last name. And to make Flash Fill work, I'm just going to start typing the first names as they are in the name column. Now, because I'm doing this within columns in the list that name is in, Excel will notice the pattern of what I'm typing and offer to replicate it down the entire column. So watch, I'm going to type Kit and hit enter. And I won't even have to type Stephanie's full name. I'll just start typing, and there it is. Excel has noticed the pattern of what I'm extracting from the name column and offered to do the same for the rest of the list. Now, it's important that I don't keep typing Stephanie's name at this point. If I did, the Flash Fill would go away. Excel would assume that I wasn't going to use it. Now that it's showing me what it wants to do, though, if I hit enter on the keyboard, it goes ahead and completes the rest of the column. Didn't have to use a formula, therefore, if I delete the name column now, it'll be perfectly fine. First name will remain and the values will remain. I don't want to do that yet, though, because I'd also like to extract the last name. So I'm going to go ahead and this time type in Ellert, and then begin to type net. It noticed immediately what I was doing. Again, when this shows up on the screen, the fill list showing how Excel will fill the rest of the column, I hit enter on the keyboard, and it's filled in. Now, I want to show you one other thing about this. I'm going to insert a new column B, and this is going to be the program. I'm going to extract the program name from the class name. So notice the class names have the name of the program and the name of the specific class. I'm going to type Excel 2013 and hit enter and start typing. Now, that is not Flash Fill, that is autofill. Previous versions of Excel did that too. So I do need to continue to type, and in this case, it looks like it's not going to Flash Fill for me, but that's only because it doesn't yet understand what I'm doing. I need to give it a third example. Now, as soon as I start typing Access 2013, note it says, okay, I get it now, gives me the rest of the Flash Fill. I hit enter, it's done. Now, I do want to show you too that instead of just breaking apart, you can put things together, and this is pretty amazing. What I'm going to do is insert a new column I, make it a little wider, and I'm going to call this code. And what we're going to do is create a code that is a combination of the student's last name, the last 4 digits of their phone number, and the chargeback number separated by periods. And again, all I will have to do is type it in like that. Excel will pick the pattern and be able to fill in the rest. So I'm going to type in Ellert dot 1224, that's the last 4 digits of that phone number, dot 1506. And I'll begin the next one. It'll be net, and immediately it sees what I'm doing from the columns, gives me the Flash Fill. I hit enter, it's done. So that is Flash Fill in Excel 2013. Thank you for watching this tip of the month. To learn more about our classes, please visit us at www.ellerttraining.com.